KISCORDS, where your child's safety is our #1 priority. Made from safe, non-toxic ABS plastic, KISCORDS are the only child-proof cabinet locks made by parents, for parents, that keep your child safe, even as he or she grows. Our easy-to-pull handle is sized in accordance with recommendations made by the Child Product Safety Commission. Adjusting KISCORDS is so easy. KISCORDS are gorilla strong too. They won't slip or break, and you can shorten them if they hang too long. You may be wondering if it's hard for parents to get into their cabinets once KISCORDS are in place. Not a problem. Unlock KISCORDS using just one hand by unscrewing the cap about a half a turn and pull down on the lock. But even as your little one develops the coordination and the strength to figure out KISCORDS cabinet locks, they still can't open them. Why? Because you've made the cap even tighter.